Today the project is sheet mulching. I am attempting to sheet mulch in between my garden beds. I'm trying to do whatever I can do to suppress the weeds. It's just becoming overwhelming weeding like every other day. So I'm gonna give this a try and see how it works. I've kind of already started, but I'm doing this smaller bed first. I just picked up I've been collecting cardboard, and that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, this is the next area that I have sheet mulched. This area is a little bit more difficult because I have lots of different things planted in here. This is a borage, I have marigold, I have some zinnia, tomatoes, coneflower, eggplant. So it's more, I don't know, haphazard in its placement. But I got these small boxes. I like these small boxes versus the big boxes. I got these from Dollar General, and they're like snack size, different snack boxes. So they were smaller. Like this was a Puffs, maybe Reese's Puffs or Puffs tissue. I don't know, but yeah. I have some basil, lots of, smaller things coming up in here that I'm not sure what they are, but I want to keep. That's a little pepper plant. This is basil. And right here, I didn't really mulch this area too much because this is a potato. And I'm going to need to dig that up. So I kind of left this area clear around it. So yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. So I'm going to get some mulch down and I'll come back when I'm done mulching. All right, guys, I'm checking back in to show you what I've done so far. Okay, I'm finished for today because the sun is starting to come out and it's pretty hot. I was out here pretty early, but yeah, the sun's catching me now and I'm gonna be done. But I think it looks pretty good, and time will tell if it decreases the amount of weeding that I've had to do in this area. I need to do some mulching. I don't know what I'm gonna do here because under these 3 covers, I have watermelon plants, and the birds will perch on this fence and eat the tops off. So I'm gonna wait on this, and I have potatoes to harvest there. So yeah, this is an overview of what the bed looks like now. And like I said, time will tell if it reduces the amount of weeding. I've stopped here. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Hey, good morning. I wanted to give an update on the sheet mulching that I did like a month ago. And it looks pretty good. There's some, weeds that have come through, but overall, it looks really good. So this is something that I'm going to continue to do moving forward. All right. These are the dwarf tomatoes, and they look a mess. Well, this one definitely does. It's like 50-50. I only have, well, I have 5. I thought I had 4, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna go over to the other bed and show you what that looks like. This is the other bed. The area where the cardboard was applied, there aren't any weeds. But I didn't go all the way, like I stopped at the back of the tomatoes. I stopped like right there where the blueberry is. I didn't do any sheet mulching back here. And you can see the difference there. To here where the borage is, you can see the cardboard there. But like I said, this was a trial, and I definitely like the results. So I'm going to, mind you, I did some like pruning of my tomatoes and just left the branches here. But the sheet mulching versus not sheet mulching, there in the back. This is the area that I did mulch because I had a random potato there that I dug up. So I think we can see that the sheet mulching definitely is helpful. So I think I may go out later on this week and collect up some more cardboard and try and finish, or maybe go all the way back to the fence. You know, I just wanted to do it in the area where I had, you know, food growing, but it will be beneficial, I believe, to just do the sheet mulching pretty much everywhere. I mean, look at all those weeds right there, and that's just right behind the area where I did the, I mean, you can see the grass there, but yeah, so we can see sheet mulch versus non-sheet mulching. I'm like in there, right there, there's a little, that's a honeyberry bush. You can barely see it because of the weeds. But yeah, so that's I think it's something that I will be adding to my garden routine, the sheet mulching, because it just, the weeds can be so much. All right, guys, that's the update on the results of the sheet mulching.